It might still be chilly outside, but we are doing our best to manifest warmer weather and the arrival of spring here in the DelmarvaLife kitchen. And we are doing that with a bunch of fresh ingredients and a bright dish with the help of Chef Jeremy DeShiel from Green Hill Country Club. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me back. It's always a pleasure.
Everything's so bright and fresh here.
Yeah.
What are we making?
Okay, so first we're going to start off with some summer rolls. It's basically a rice paper. We'll make it pliable in warm water, and then we'll fill it with our favorite ingredients.
Oh, okay. So we're skipping spring rolls and going right to summer.
Yeah.
I like that. Okay.
Yep.
So what you got? You just
So here's just some warm water. This is just going to rehydrate the rice paper.
Okay.
The hotter the water, the faster it becomes pliable. I just had a rag on it just to keep it from curling up.
Oh, okay.
So we'll do this. If you kind of, let's see, is that too hot for you?
Nope.
Okay. So as you can kind of feel like this.
Oh, okay.
You'll start to notice it will. It'll moisten up, it'll soften up.
Okay.
So you want it to where you can almost like crunch it, but you don't want to break it because it is tender.
Yeah, I found that out.
So you'll lift it up.
Like holding onto it like this?
Wow, look at that.
Cool. And then you'll just
no kidding.
Doesn't have to be perfect when you lay it down. Yep. Awesome. So at this point, what I'm going to do is we can start with our base. It could be cabbage, it could be a coleslaw. I've just got, it could even be rice noodles. Over here, I already have some iceberg chopped up for you.
Okay. I'm trying to get it all unwrinkled here.
Yeah, and it doesn't have to be perfect because life isn't perfect,
No,
right?
it's not.
This is also something you can do with your kids. You know, you don't have to be an executive chef to make summer rolls. So.
All right, so do I just pile it on there like I would a burrito or spread it out?
No, you want to keep it right in the middle, yep.
Right in the middle. Oh, okay, there we go.
Perfect.
All
and
right.
then traditional, like a Vietnamese would have basil in it. It adds freshness. It's really what you want to add.
Okay.
So you can
Add
do a
some
basil
basil.
leaves, some carrots. We have cucumber. That's also jalapeno slices.
Ooh.
I already had a little bit. They are mild, so they're not going to be too spicy.
If Jimmy were making this, we would definitely have the jalapenos.
Empty the cup.
Yeah.
Can you overstuff it, or is am I?
No, I mean, you're doing good right now. So.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, well,
Pretty much. And then if you want to add a protein, we could add some shrimp as well.
Ooh. Can't pass that
So
up.
you
Just how
grab
many?
like 2.
2?
Yeah.
Okay. Pile that on top. All right, we got, oh, I didn't put the avocado in there. All right, now we got, thank you.
Yep, absolutely. So you're just going to want to take each side and fold it over.
Oh,
They
boy.
don't have to touch.
Okay. I'm so afraid I'm going to rip
Yep,
it.
perfect. And the other side.
Okay.
Well, look at you.
And then you'll just tuck it. You'll fold that over and then tuck. And then you can, once you tuck it to here, you can kind of just roll it slowly. Yep.
Look at you.
And that's a summer
Perfect.
roll.
Yeah.
about
Did
that?
you want to go at one?
Oh, I was going to try to eat that one.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
Oh, you
Well, I
can
didn't
eat that
put any
one.
jalapeno in there.
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'll tell you what. Let me see if I can follow what you were saying. Tell us, what do you got going on this bull roast?
Yeah. So this Saturday at Green Hill Country Club, we have a bull and oyster roast going on. So it's going to be a good time. We've got a couple different roasted oysters. We have single fried as well as, you know, we've got the bull. So we've got some sous vide eye round with a bunch of different sides. It'll be a good time.
Sounds
You
amazing.
guys should come on out.
Yeah.
That sounds like fun.
And it's going to be a Saturday's shaping up to be a decent day weather-wise.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
it
and
is.
this is inside, but we
Inside.
still have a great view of the river, so it'll be a good time.
Boy, it is hard to lay it out flat, isn't it?
It
Yeah,
is.
you never get
is.
it perfect, so and that's okay.
It is what it is.
Yep.
So
Right.
what did you put in yours?
Yeah,
Okay, you got all that.
Oh, you got everything over there.
I got stuff over here too, right?
Yeah, yeah, you can
Can I get
build
some of this?
whatever you want.
All right.
Do you want some basil over there?
Sure. Why not? See, here's the thing that Lisa knows when it comes to me making something, which is why she did it first. I take forever in cutting stuff. But I like. Did you hear that?
I
Yeah.
was agreeing with you.
She said,
No, he doesn't. He's really good. He's like those.
She
you
I
said-
wouldn't
know,
say forever, I would say cautious, right?
cautious, very cautious. Yeah, I
well,
mean,
so far I've still got 9 fingers and a couple of thumbs. So I'm very
barely.
happy about that.
Barely.
Well,
that's
that's
another
true.
story
What
for
is this?
another
What is
day.
Oh, that's cream cheese.
Cream cheese going in.
Yep, you can add cream cheese. Obviously, that's not healthy, but it's a nice
That's
filler.
why it's going in.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then
There we just have
tuna.
some ahi tuna that's just been blackened.
And then you have a sauce here.
So that is just a traditional Thai chili dipping sauce.
Oh, okay,
It's
so you
sweet
just
and
dip
spicy
the-
texture. It's syrupy, so it's really good if you want to.
Doesn't go on now.
No,
Goes later.
it's a dipping sauce.
Gotcha,
Yep.
okay.
I mean, if you want to have it dipless, you
Yeah.
could always put it inside, for sure.
Dipless.
Dipless. I know, we're like little kids
Never-
laughing at
never.
dipless.
Been approached with that dipless. I didn't put much in mine.
You're doing great.
That's okay.
I
No,
think
yours
I put
was
too
prettier.
I put too much in mine.
Yours turned out better.
Yeah. No.
Mm-hmm.
No.
Well,
Did you put your jalapenos in there?
no, I didn't.
What?
Well, like you were saying, I was afraid I was going to tear it.
Yeah.
All right, so
And then I'll hold it, and if you guys want to.
we're gonna dip because we don't want to go dipless.
No.
Never been accused of dipless. Now, you've got something else for us to do here too, right?
Yep.
What are we doing?
After this, we're going to roll out some sushi. We're going to make sushi rolls.
All right, well, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.
So we're on a roll here, ching, in the DelmarvaLife kitchen this afternoon. Several rolls, as a matter of fact. Summer rolls, sushi rolls, all coming to life with the help of Chef Jeremy DeShiel from Green Hill Country Club. Thank you so much for coming in today.
The summer
Yeah.
rolls are in our belly.
Yep.
Yeah, we had to get those out of the way.
To make room
They
for
were
the
in way to make
sushi.
room for
Now summer's on its way.
Now,
Yeah, there you go.
I'm stupid on sushi. So you're going to walk me through on this, right?
Yeah, so basically what I've done at this point, I've taken a short grain sushi rice. It's a little more glutinous, so it provides it to be, or starchy, sorry, not glutinous. So it can be stickier.
Sticky.
Yeah.
Yep,
Okay.
I've also added already to this a little bit of rice wine vinegar and sugar. And that, again, that amplifies the stickiness, flavors it
Yeah.
a little more aromatic.
Okay.
So let's go ahead,
right.
grab some seaweed.
All right, just pick
We
it
can
up.
do we can do a sushi race, right?
Oh, I don't know if racing.
No, that's probably not.
Does it matter which side?
I always do the side that with the cuts. If you kind of look, that has the cuts on it. So
Uh-huh.
I'll do that on the inside.
Oh, okay. There you go.
What's the
All
cut
right.
side?
Yeah, cut side up facing you. Yep.
Cut side up.
Yep. All right. So then you'll just take your rice, and I'll just do like one smear on both of you guys just to
Okay.
show you. You're gonna leave the if you can see how there's two rectangles.
Oh, yeah.
You'll leave those without any rice on it.
Okay.
Okay.
So see, I'm just smearing down, right?
Oh, I think I grabbed
So,
two sheets.
So that's. You did. You did
Oh.
grab two sheets. Be extra crunchy.
Yeah.
Did
yeah.
you also grab two sheets?
Probably.
No,
No,
you didn't.
no.
No, you're
Okay.
killing it.
Whatever.
So if you watched me do that, if you want to put this rice on,
See, now she gets to laugh at me for
you might
my
want to put that down so that way you can hold the.
rice smearing
Yep.
skills.
You're doing an
Rice
excellent
is-
job
rice is
smearing the
smeared.
rice.
Is that a good?
Yeah. You want
Depth
to do a
and
little
thickness?
bit more
Little-
just to
no,
fill
yes,
that void,
okay.
and then you're good to
All
go. Yep. And the cool thing with this is it doesn't have to be perfect.
Right.
You know, you're
Now you're
doing
talking my
this at
game.
home. You're doing this for a date night with your kids. This is. You don't even have to put like
You know, this is
fish in
kinda
it or
fun.
things that might be a deterrence for kids to want to
Okay, now
eat.
it's my turn to
Yep.
smear the rice. Okay.
So if you wanted to get started, so you can win the race,
I like
He
that.
gets a head start.
you just kind of want to keep everything right here in the center,
Okay.
and fill it with all your favorite things in sushi.
So kind of load it up like we did the.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So we've got asparagus, cucumber, jalapeno cream cheese, carrots.
Okay.
You can do ahi or shrimp.
You know I love me some ahi. How's that? Is that
Yeah.
enough?
Oh, that's perfect.
Oh, hey.
You did a better job than me.
Oh, whatever.
Mm,
Now, where am I piling this? On one end, in the middle,
Yeah, just right in the middle.
right in the middle? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
okay, so I got some cucumber and some carrots. I want some of that ahi, I think.
Cool. Yeah. and
don't
then
give her the
I'll
cream
hold this,
cheese.
I'll hold this bowl too.
She
so
doesn't
that way
need the
you can
cream.
get it.
Oh, you know, I'm sensing
we
some
go.
favoritism here.
All right. Oh, that's asparagus.
Oh yeah, make it nice and crunchy.
Okay, I think that's good, right?
Yeah, that's great.
Okay. Are we still racing?
So, cool. Are you guys ready to roll?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sweet. So I'm not going to roll it. That way she doesn't have a head start. But you're going to want to come up and tuck this all the way around here. And then when you're done, you're going to like press firmly and kind
Okay.
of square it out like this, just to make sure that you're filling the void.
So
Yep.
am I just taking the sheet over, or am I taking this whole thing here over?
The whole thing. Yep.
All the way
Like
over.
this?
Yep. Perfect. Yep. And then now you can start to keep rolling it. Yep.
Like, just keep.
Well, not with that. So
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. This is just to start it.
Yep. Yep.
Oh,
So then you
okay.
can, now at this point, you can roll it up into where that paper is loose, and then we'll trim that off.
Oh,
Okay, watch. So, oh, it already stuck. Perfect.
Oh, well,
So
hey.
normally what I'll do is, and I miss this just because I'm on TV and nervous, but I'll smear a little bit of rice right on the corners, and what that,
It
just-
acts as glue.
It's the glue. It's
oh,
the
okay.
glue.
Okay.
So we'll take take a little bit of rice for you, just a couple grains, and this will be the glue that will now hold it together.
Okay.
Cool.
So roll it up.
So
like
now at this point, we'll just wet the blade. This will just kind of lubricate it, that make sure it doesn't stick.
Sure.
And you'll want to go straight down and then straight forward and then back.
Okay.
I don't think I rolled mine tightly enough, but I'm gonna put that on the cutting board, right?
Yeah.
Don't want to cut that up.
Straight forward and then back.
Yep.
Forward and then back.
But yeah, keep the knife level. Yep.
Oh,
just like
okay.
that. Now slide it forward.
Oh,
Perfect.
okay.
There you go.
I
you
was
got
going
it.
at an angle.
Yep.
I see.
Perfect.
I don't think I'm gonna do it right.
I wouldn't put your fingers down in there if I were you.
Oh, you're good. You're good. I'm comfortable if you are.
Okay.
Ooh, I tore up
look
my
at
first one.
that.
So-
I'm really excited.
All right.
Yeah. You did a great job, by the way.
Show
Thank
me.
you.
Show me again, because I didn't do that right. I tore that first one all up.
Yeah, and that's okay. That's okay, right? That's the chef's piece, right? So, so you just slide forward and then back.
Oh, okay.
Again, slide forward and then back.
And that's it.
Yeah, you got it.
Nice.
All right.
So then we'll move this,
That cross
bring
section is
this
nice and pretty
forward,
too.
and while you're doing that, since Lisa's so fast, we'll just.
I didn't say it. He
Listen,
keeps looking at me.
how did he make this look so good and so easy when he cuts it? When I cut it, I rip it up.
Must be the knife.
Cool. So all I'm doing here is I'm adding a little bit of ginger and wasabi. Ginger is just like a palate cleanser that you eat in between rolls or pieces. Wasabi, well, spice is nice.
It's very spicy.
Yep. I also have here is the eel sauce, not made with eel.
Okay.
This is a like brown sugar soy with a little bit of fish sauce reduction. So it's really sweet and tangy. It's what you see on like a dragon roll or, and then that's just a mild spicy mayo. Cool. So
Yeah,
we're gonna.
let's place yours because mine are going to fall apart before you can get over there.
No, you're good. You're good. All right. Well,
Can you see the difference
we
between
don't
the
need
two?
to see who the winner.
All you have to do is take a good look at that. And
Can we get camera
Perfect.
4 there?
Did you
There
guys-
you go. Which one's Lisa's? Which one's Jimmy's?
Cool. So if you guys want to go ahead and
Oh,
dig in,
dig in. Yeah.
fingers or chopsticks are welcome.
listen, I'm going with the fingers because I have absolutely no chopstick skills.
Yeah.
And
if
this
you,
is soy sauce?
Yep, it's just soy sauce.
and if you thought I was bad with a
Okay.
knife,
I guess you just put the whole thing in your mouth all at once.
I definitely want to try some sushi too. You guys got it.
good job, well done.
That is so good and so easy and so fun. Jeremy DeShiel.
Remind us again, real quick. We're running out of time. But remind us again, real quick, about the bull roast.
All right, this Saturday, Green Hill Country Club. We have a bull and oyster roast. Come on out. Be a great time. Kids are welcome. And see you there.
All right.
There.
Sounds great.
Yeah.